Hello everyone, I'm Haley Helquist, Device Director here at Nu Skin, and I'll be your host today as we dive into a powerful topic that touches every part of our health, especially our nutritional health. But before we jump in, I want to quickly set the stage from my perspective as a Device Director. At Nu Skin, we're deeply committed to combining cutting-edge innovation with wellness, and that starts with how we use technology to unlock insights about the body. With tools like the original Pharmanex biophotonic scanner, we've translated complex biophotonic detection and large-scale data modeling into something incredibly personal, powerful, easily understood, and most importantly, meaningful. The new PRYSM IO device is a tool that measures carotenoids in the skin to provide a window into your nutritional health that's actionable and easy to understand. As someone who works on the how, we measure, how we improve, and how we personalize, I find this fascinating. But today, I'm joined by the real experts in the what and the why. They'll help us understand why the new device has evolved into an instrument that indicates nutritional health and why the measurement of carotenoids has reached this level of clinical relevance. Why does it matter so much to our health, wellness, and even how we age? Now, I'm thrilled to introduce two of Nu Skin's top scientists. First, the esteemed chair of our Scientific Advisory Board, Dr. Joe Chang. Welcome, Joe.
Thanks, Haley. Happy to be here.
And we also have our Director of Research and Development, Dr. Shelley Hester. Welcome, Shelley.
Hi, Haley. Great to join you today.
Awesome. Let's go ahead and dive into this. Joe, can you walk us through oxidative stress? What is it, and why does it matter in nutritional health?
Sure, Haley. Well, first of all, when we look at oxidative stress, it's really a type of stress that's caused by what we call unstable molecules that are commonly known as free radicals. So these free radicals damage cells. So it's a bit like rusting from the inside out. So that's not good. Even healthy people, deal with trillions of these oxidative hits every day, either from stress, pollution, and even diet. Okay. The problem with oxidative stress, therefore, is that it is insidious. It's a big challenge. And if left unchecked, what happens is it actually accelerates tissue aging.
Wow, that sounds really serious. Shelley, how does this kind of cellular damage appear in our lives?
Yeah, so I'd really like to emphasize what Joe said in that it impacts so many things. Things like how we age, our immune systems, even how our skin looks. What we've learned from 25 million scans with our original scanner over the years and other related independent studies, oxidative stress in our bodies is linked to nutritional health.
Okay, if oxidative stress is such a critical player in health, are there any interventions that could help to protect us and improve our nutritional health?
Yeah, so we have natural intrinsic antioxidant mechanisms that help. So these are our antioxidant mechanisms that we have within our bodies. But unfortunately, as we age, our diet changes, these systems don't work as well. And the body needs supplemental micronutrients to really fortify these defense mechanisms. So when consumed in the right amounts, antioxidants, from our diet, they really can neutralize the excess free radicals, helping to restore or preserve this nutritional health.
All right, Joe, where do we get such nutritional health boosters? Some are potent antioxidants, right?
Yeah, that's true, absolutely. Well, our body has developed really powerful mechanisms, natural mechanisms, to address oxidative stress inside the body. But you still need fruits and vegetables, which are also great sources of nutritional boosters, I call them. These plant compounds are not just colorful. They're critical to reinforcing aging defense mechanisms that are being regulated by nutritional health.
Shelley, I've been hearing about carotenoids as well. Can you explain their special role in beauty and wellness?
Yeah, so carotenoids like beta-carotene, lutein, or lycopene are excellent indicators of healthy eating. They support skin radiance, eye health, and even overall vitality. So in addition, they really are a leading indicator of our antioxidant network and can amplify other antioxidants. So our millions of scans have helped us understand the correlations between antioxidants and nutritional health. And that someone that consumes more fruits and vegetables or supplements, they tend to have a higher score when scanned.
Wow, fruits and vegetables are really important. Joe, how does Nu Skin help people track their antioxidant health? How do we know?
Well, you mentioned our original Pharmanex biophotonic scanner. Well, is really an important monitor because it non-invasively measures these carotenoids in the skin. It gives you a snapshot of your antioxidant status. Really, you should look upon these carotenoids as part and parcel of this whole antioxidant network in the body. It is very empowering because it creates a unique database that includes not just antioxidant data, but also other lifestyle factors of an individual being scanned. That's what we had from those 25 million scans that we have done to date.
That's incredible and totally proprietary to Nu Skin. Joe, Nu Skin has been pioneering antioxidant research for over 2 decades. What makes our approach unique?
Well, our uniqueness, perhaps I can sum it up in one word, and that's our science and the scientific studies that we do. It lies in the fact that for over 20 years now, if I recall, we launched the biophotonic scanner back in 2003, thereabouts.
Sounds about right.
We have been studying antioxidants and its status in the body. We never studied it just in a test tube. So it's really in a real life situation that we got all this data. So not only that, we also gathered at the same time while we were scanning a lot of lifestyle data that is not related to antioxidant score, but lifestyle data from that individual to sort of investigate factors that can affect antioxidant status. Our goal really is to create products that can really bring truly meaningful and measurable benefits. We want to know the meaning of antioxidant status accurately so that it delivers a benefit to everybody.
That's powerful. Shelley, are there any exciting developments based on this new understanding of nutritional health?
Yeah, so we're actively exploring how bioactives influence inflammation and aging at the cellular level. So we're just beginning to see really the future potential of the scanner in detecting these different aspects of health.
That's super exciting. Give us an example of what you're talking about.
Yeah, so the skin is a great example of how oxidative stress can cause damage. So protecting against oxidative stress, it's critical to maintaining youthful, radiant skin by reducing inflammation and protecting the collagen in your skin. So the scanner really is an effective tool to monitor skin health.
That's exciting. Joe, how does this science translate into product design at Nu Skin?
Well, the scanner database, as I've mentioned up to this point, right, has helped improve our understanding of beauty and wellness. It got us a lot of data to truly understand what beauty means and what wellness is. We are beginning to appreciate there is more than meets the eye with antioxidants and the relationship to nutritional health. We are already seeing that managing weight, for example, is not just about losing weight, but it's also about reducing the impact of oxidative stress.
Okay, here's the last question for both of you. What's one thing someone can do today to improve their nutritional health levels?
Okay, I'll go first. Eat a rainbow. Incorporate colorful fruits and vegetables, a variety of them, into every meal, and really consider supplementation. I mean, these are simple steps that can really impact your nutritional health. And these different colors, I mean, they're providing different phytonutrients that really can improve your health in complementary ways.
That's great. Joe?
Yeah, and get scanned. I mean, with the PRYSM IO scanner, we have taken this scanner technology to the next level. Knowing your PRYSM score is the first step towards better nutritional wellness. If you don't know something, you won't be able to change it or influence it. I think that's pretty clear. That's what the scanner does. It really answers the question, how do you know? Or how are you going to figure out your nutritional status? And the scanner, the PRYSM IO especially, will help that.
I love that, tying in the how we do it and why we do it as well. That makes it so important. Thank you both for sharing your insights today. It's clear that Nu Skin has elevated the scanner technology to an even more meaningful level. It's a nutritional health monitor essential to our health, our beauty, and our future. To anyone watching, take charge of your health now. Visit our website, try the Pharmanex Biophotonic Scanner, and discover how Nu Skin is helping people thrive from the inside out. And before we sign off, I want to say how excited we are for what's coming next. Our upcoming innovation, PRYSM IO, is built on everything we've learned from the Biophotonic Scanner, but it takes personalized wellness to an entirely new level. It's all about smarter tracking, an even more proactive approach to wellness, and it's going to transform the way people understand and manage their nutritional health. We can't wait to share more soon.